gets on my car and they start fighting with each other. They were both like jawing at each other, not hitting physically but just verbally. Man, it was so annoying. It put me in such a bad mood. But anyway, so they keep arguing, and I have my windows down all while they're arguing, and I have my worship music on. And I guess they couldn't hear it, or pretended not to, until I put the windows up, and the song, I think, was saying something about holy, holy, Lord Almighty, good and gracious, holy, holy, Lord Almighty, good and gracious King. And so when I get the windows up, the dude, he notices, he starts listening to the music, and you'll see how things manifest. So he says to me, hey, can you lower the music down? It's loud. And I tell him, you're loud. I tell him you're loud, and he got offended. And man, they were just ripping on the people they just had like dinner with, and on each other. And then when I got involved, they started ripping at me, and they started saying that I was insane because I told them, you both need God. And well, that pissed them off even more. And the guy said, the lady said, oh, you can just drop us off right here. And I was like, yeah, with pleasure. And I stop. And I stop in a random place, and the guy, before he gets off, he couldn't I guess stop himself, and he said, oh, you can shove God right up your ass. And he doesn't exist, he said to me. And I told him, he exists, he's real, and he's alive right now. And he just slammed the door, and I just left after that. But it's curious how things manifest, man. The spirits, huh? The spirit of the Antichrist. But anyway, I just wanted to share that. That's pretty much it.